Guys, this is the mall. Hello guys, this is the mall. I just bust out Dagenham Heathway, and obviously I saw like about seven police officers and with three black guys, and obviously I don't know what happened. And listen, it all just went I'm crazy, because obviously I was just coming out. As soon as I come out, I saw them. I think they're CIDs, and they come out, and then obviously they were arrested. Three black boys in front of Dagenham Heathway, and it was just like, it was crazy. And at the end of the day, I heard it was like something that happened previously, a couple of weeks ago, and then obviously I saw them in front of Dagenham Heathway, and then they got arrested and they take them away. Just watch the video and see for yourself. Subscribe to the channel.